I have one last mission, and that is to present the annual Dan Holohan Lifetime Achievement in Comfort Advancement Award. It's an award that we created at TACO some number of years ago. I guess this will be the third, to honor and recognize a company or an individual who has contributed a lifetime to this industry in a way that's been selfless and available. It's really a great award, I think. And this year, it goes to a wonderful friend, longtime friend, and longtime industry participant, Bruce Marshall from Emerson-Swan. Bruce started his career in 1968. You want to know where I was in 1968? It wasn't even high school. Holy mackerel. But started in 1968 driving a fuel oil delivery truck in Boston, and has proceeded to go through life with a commitment to this industry. Self-taught guy, by the way. Has been in the rep business, has been a contractor, has won numerous awards, and ultimately ended up doing what a really great installer, contractor, fuel oil guy does, which is to train others to perpetuate this industry. Bruce has trained thousands and thousands of people, and in conjunction even with the TACO training. And he's done it with Emerson-Swan. He's worked for Suntech. The list goes on. I'm duly impressed with your career, Bruce, and could not be more pleased or honored to give you the Dan Holohan Lifetime Comfort Solutions Award. Congratulations.
So first, I'd like to thank Johnny and everybody at TACO for this. It's quite an achievement, and it's a wonderful thing. I'd also like to thank my lifelong friend Ken Fagan for giving me the opportunity to do this and to believing in me all these years, to give me the opportunity to do this. And it's so Ken, I want to thank you too. I just want to repeat what Johnny said earlier. It's fun. I've always had fun doing this. I think at the end of the day, if you can look at yourself in the mirror and say that you've made a difference, then you can look back on your life and say you've been a success. And I like to think that I made a difference. So again, thank you all. All my good friends at TACO and a lot of my good friends at Emerson-Swan, thank you for everything. And I guess I got to thank my wife, Rosemary, who I could never have done any of this without. So, thank you.
Sorry, I neglected to mention Rosemary, and I was
reminded that I better.
Yeah, I was going to do that. I actually had your back on that one. So, thank you. Congratulations.
Thank you.
It's great. You betcha. So, again, everybody, thank you for being here and being such a special part of this company, and really a special part of my life and all of our lives. It matters a great deal to me.